Hi there, this is our mega bandsaw, Taiwanese, good quality, very big. It's the dual column type, shuttle voice. It's had a new screen and controller fitted at some stage of its life. Can obviously be used in a manual operation and an auto operation. The only thing it can't do is it can't do different sequence cuts. For example, yes, it can do a certain amount at 100mm long, for instance, but you can't program in to do 10 at 100 and 5 at 50 and 3 at 30 type of thing. Only the one length, and then you'd have to reset your length. Okay, we'll have a bit of a look at it from top to bottom. So at the back here, the previous owners have fitted a new 3-phase electric motor and pump and replaced some of the hydraulic lines there. They've spent quite a bit of money on it. You've got your rollers for your feed there, shuttle voice, your blade tensioning set up there. You'll see some photos under here of those pulleys, etc. You set to the length that you want there. Obviously your cabinet up there, chip conveyor here and coolant system. That automatically starts the coolant and the chip conveyor when you start the machine. And then the back around here is pretty normal, you'll see those photos. So I'll start the hydraulic pump. It's got the variable blade speed on it. So that's the pump running there. And I can take that main bow up and down. So there it is going up and down. I'll start that blade, so there it is starting now. That's got a variable speed drive unit on it. Your wee blade control speed is just here, so I'll start that up, that's full, and slow that right down. So I'll run that on full. We're just doing a wee demo on a bit of wood. Your chip conveyor's turning over there now, and I'll just push reset and so it'll start its cut. I think it's programmed for 3 cuts. First one will be a clean up cut, so it's coming down. It'll reduce its speed once the wee sensor touches the material. So there, it's done that there and slowed down, doing its first cut. So that's its first cut complete. Opening that front vice. The back vice is pushing it forward. Now it's closing the front vice. Shuttling the back vice back, and it's closed that. Coming for the second cut. That second cut now, going up. Opening that front vice. Back vice is shuttling forward. Close the front vice, opening the back, moving back and closing that back vice. Coming down for the final cut. the blade itself needs replacing on this. So there it is, it's shut itself off. It's done the clean-up cut, and then the next 2 cuts and given us 2 at 100 long. So I'll stop that. It's got the touch screen here for the controls now with that new system that it's got on it. So there it is. Someone has spent quite a bit of money on it with that motor and hydraulic pump and a few hydraulic hoses, etc., and the more modern controller. It's got a big capacity with the dual column, and I'm sure it'll be of use going into some more work.